In this video, I'm going to talk about leverage. We've already covered financial freedom, assets, passive income, property, pensions, education, and now we are on leverage. So what is leverage? Basically, it's using other tools or systems and also people so that you can create a better outcome as a win-win situation. Example, buying a house. If you've got £100,000 and you'd like to buy a house, well, in London you probably couldn't get much of a house with that. But if you leverage the mortgage company so that they lend you, say, I don't know, £400,000, then you've got £500,000 to buy a house, and then at the end of that you'll be happy because you will have your house, and because you will be paying the mortgage company interest, so you'll be keeping their business going, they'll be happy as well because they'll be making money. So it's a win-win situation. And if you take somebody like, say, the CEO of Disney, he's got a vision and he leverages his 195,000 employees to make his vision a reality. And so leverage is very important. Most people do things with other people. Very few people succeed just on their own. And especially in property, joint venturing is the way to go, basically. And it's like a football team. You not one person. You can't have a football team of one person. You have to have 11 people, and then they all have a common goal. And that's the same with a joint venture. So certain people have got, well, everyone's got different skills, knowledge, time, money. So absolutely, it's the way to go forward is to joint venture with people. And then credit cards as well. So if you use a credit card for certain things, that's fine as long as you know the difference between good debt and bad debt. So consumer debt is bad debt. So basically, if you want to buy some shiny shoes or a holiday, and you can't really afford it, and you're not going to pay it off at the end of that month, that's really not such a sensible thing to buy. So, but if you use your credit card, or if you get a loan for an investment debt, so if you're borrowing £1, then you're going to make more than £1 on that debt, then that's good debt, and that's what people use loans for, like business loans, is to borrow money to make more money. And some people don't even know that your credit scores even exist. And a credit score is it's a way that the banks can see how you handle debt. So I would recommend everybody to get a credit card and just spend a little bit on it and then pay it off at the end of the month. So you can prove to anyone, like a bank, if you want to borrow money from them, they can see that you know how to handle debt properly. So and also it's important to not to join credit scores or let your credit scores merge with people. I know if you've got a student house and then two of you set up an account to pay the bills, that sort of thing, and then after 5 years, or well, a certain period of time, when you come and want to get a mortgage, and then you find that you've got a bit of a blip on your credit score, and it's because your ex housemate has got some bad debt. So when you finish with a joint account, just close the account. Don't just take the money out and leave it, because then it means that your credit records are still linked. So, and look after your credit score. You can use companies like Experian and Check My File, and try and keep your credit score as high as you can, because that will make your life a lot easier when you're trying to go into business and borrow money.